Hello friends, today's topic Nifty crashes by 368 points, reasons and what next. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Significant fall in our markets today. Nifty fell by 1.4%, that is 368 points, and closed well below 26,000 mark at 25,810. Sensex was down 1,272 points, fell by around 1.5% today. There are many reasons for today's market weakness. Number one, Israel-Lebanon conflict. The last few days, Israel has intensified strikes on Iranian-backed forces. This is causing concerns of whether this situation will escalate further and spread to entire Middle East. Israel killed Hezbollah leader Syed Hassan Nasrallah in Beirut, triggering further attacks on Hezbollah in Lebanon and in Yemen. 2. Today's SEBI meeting outcome. Today evening, SEBI committee will be having a meeting to decide on various topics, including what actions they will take with respect to derivatives trading to reduce unnecessary speculation in the market. One of the proposed changes in the futures and options includes an increase in the minimum contract value to around rising to 15 to 20 lakhs now, later to 20 to 30 lakhs. This is aimed at discouraging retail investors. So, retail investors may be nervous with respect to what actions will be implemented by SEBI regarding F&O trading. This could be one of the reasons for the cautiousness in the market today. 3. FII selling due to Chinese market rally. Due to the stimulus package announced in China to revive the economy, Chinese market have rallied well in the last few days. Chinese stocks are very attractive value compared to the Indian markets. This means FIIs may sell in India, move some money to better performing markets. In fact, Shanghai Composite Index rallied by 7.5% today. 4. Profit booking. Indian market have rallied by 3% in just 10 days after the rate hike in US. So today's fall could be some profit booking after earning good profits in a short time. There are no major announcements expected apart from the SEBI board meeting. Although mid and small indices were also weak today, they fell by a lower percentage compared to Nifty 50. Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index fell by 0.4% and Nifty Small Cap 100 Index fell by 0.3% today. Some sectors fell heavily today, such as automobile, private banks and financial services. Automobile stocks performance today. Number 1, Maruti Suzuki minus 1.91%, 2 M&M minus 2.79%, 3 Bajaj Auto minus 2.53%, 4 Tata Motors minus 1.85%, 5 Hero Motocar minus 4.11%, 6 TVS Motors minus 3.72%. Private banking stocks performance today. 1. ICICI Bank fell by minus 2.57%, 2 HDFC Bank minus 1.18%, Axis Bank minus 3.22% and 4th Bandhan Bank minus 2.2%. It is much needed correction after a quick rally in the previous few days. We will not know whether the expected correction has started until markets fall significantly for many days. As of now, this is just looking like a profit booking day. There is no need to fear a correction, especially if you are a long-term investor. Keep investing regularly every month and don't get too serious with your current high portfolio value due to bull market rally. It will fall a bit when the overall market falls, but in due time, you will build a good corpus for your future requirements. Markets are a roller coaster ride for many years. If you panic in the middle, you will not be able to see the good things that will happen to your portfolio due to the compounding. So stay invested and enjoy the journey. Most analysts are still of the opinion that markets have some more scope of up move before any major correction. So we could see another 1 to 3 months of rally before the start of the bear phase for global markets. Let us wait and see the above prediction by analysts comes true. End of the video, here is the question. Do you think SEBI has to put a minimum income criteria to be eligible to do F&O trading? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye and all the best.